Paragraph on a picnic with family. Last weekend I went for a family picnic. We selected our ancestral farmhouse for spending the whole day over there. My parents invited my uncle and his family as the place was 15 kilometers far away from my place, so we left home in the early morning. We went there in my uncle's minibus. We carried sandwiches, macaroni, soft drinks, and nuts, where my aunt brought pizza and other mouth-watering snacks. We reached there at 9 am. The mild spring breeze was very pleasant. My mom suggested the poolside field for sitting together. We arranged a food basket over there. We had light spinach and corn sandwich in breakfast. We played badminton and football there. Then we had yummy pizza at lunch. It was a well spent day with lots of chit chats and good food. I played a lot, and in returning I was recalling the fun day we spent together. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.